In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add work experience on Glassdoor. If you want better job matches and a stronger profile, adding your work experience is one of the quickest wins. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to make sure your information is clear, consistent, and helpful to recruiters. First, sign in to your Glassdoor account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. From there, choose Edit Profile. You'll often see a pencil icon next to this option. That's your shortcut to making changes. Next, scroll down to the section called My Information. This is where you'll enter your work details. Start with employment status and choose whether you're currently employed or formerly employed. Then add your job title. Use the title that best matches what you actually did. Something clear and recognizable like virtual assistant or marketing coordinator. For employer, enter the company name. This one is required, so make sure it's accurate and spelled correctly. Add your location next, typically your city and country. This helps Glassdoor tailor job matches to your area or nearby areas if you're open to commuting or remote roles. Then choose your primary industry. If there isn't a perfect match, pick the closest option that reflects the organization's main business. Finally, select your specialization. Think of this as the discipline or focus area within your role. Choose the one that best describes your expertise. By the way, if you need quick access to Glassdoor, I've placed the website link and the app download link right at the top of the description so you can jump in immediately whether you're on desktop or mobile. Once all the required fields are filled in, click Save. Take a moment to review what you entered. Small details, like consistent job titles and the correct industry, can make a big difference in how your profile appears to hiring managers. If you're a freelancer or virtual assistant, you have a couple of options. You can list your client's company name if that's appropriate, or use something like self-employed, or freelance virtual assistant, as allowed by the platform. The key is to be honest and clear so your experience is easy to understand. That's it. Completing these fields improves your job recommendations and helps your profile show up to the right employers. Keep your information up to date as your roles change, and you'll get more relevant opportunities over time. Thanks for watching.